Greetings. Thank you for joining us on the Voice of Calm. I'm Reverend S.Phenix, broadcasting from the virtual Sanctuary of Calm for Calm Ministries. Because our foundation and organization is built on the idea of universal unity, we chose our first broadcast to explain the cosmic law of unity and what that means within our organization. So, what is the cosmic law of unity, you may be asking? It comes directly from the text of over 300 cosmic laws known as the cosmic laws of cosmic awareness. From a direct quote in the text, the universal law is that knowledge, that awareness, that all living things, that all life has within it a vitality, that strength to gather from itself all things necessary for its growth and its fruition. While understanding and upholding those cosmic laws are in the pursuit of our mission, it is the law of unity we have chosen to be the foundation. That law states, it is that law which recognizes no separateness, which ignores the appearance and seemingness of separateness in the apparent divisions of polarities, gender, cause and effects, the part and the whole, the one and the many, but realizing these each as an integrated part of the total picture. The law of unity identifies with the overall viewpoint and sees neither night nor day, but the night-day process, neither right nor wrong, but the right-wrong process, neither the pleasure nor the pain, but the pleasure-pain process, neither the one nor the all, but the at-one-ment process of the all-one being, whose cells and souls work together even in the seemingness of division. The law of unity acknowledges such division, but stresses the oneness of the parts. The law of unity sees loss and gain, life and death, nothing but the spinning wheel of fortune that is based on the law of change, which is itself a unifying process known as the law of magic. Ultimately, we choose to accept humanity as one race, the human race. We accept that each soul has its own path of growth, discovery, and experiences, while at the same time we are all in this together. The more we accept each other, the more we become ready to accept a galactic community and the expansion of the third-dimensional experience. We hope you will join us for the next episode of the Voice of Calm. You can get the free PDF of the Cosmic Laws of Cosmic Awareness from the CAALM.org library and the official website at cosmicawareness.org. From the hardback cover, this book presents inspiring insights that make clear how universal regularities work in our lives. These concise spiritual reflections emphasize that we are part of a universe which in essence is one living and creating awareness. Being connected with this awareness enables us to develop inner wisdom and to experience love and respect for every living thing. Thank you for watching Calm Broadcast and supporting Calm Radio.